Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rewriting the given equation into standard form, move constant to the right, and group x and y terms. Once grouped, complete the square for each variable to produce xh, 2, and yk, 2 terms. Make sure to divide through by the new constant so the right side equals 1. After that, read off the center h, k. Note which denominator is larger because that determines the major axis direction. Next, calculate NB by taking square roots of the larger and smaller denominators. A corresponds to the major radius. Once done, determine orientation. If a 2 sits under the x term, the major axis is horizontal. If under y, it is vertical. Plot the center, then mark vertices at distance O along the major axis and co-vertices at distance B along the minor axis. To keep proportions accurate, draw the auxiliary rectangle using plus or minus and plus or minus b, and sketch the ellipse tangent to its sides. To finish, draw a smooth, symmetric curve that passes through the vertices and hugs the rectangle. Make sure both halves mirror each other. If the equation had an xy term, you must rotate axes or apply the general conic diagonalization to find center and axes before plotting. Once done, verify accuracy by plugging 3 plotted points into the original equation. If values don't match, recheck your completed squares and arithmetic. Small sign errors cause the biggest mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.